Hello guys, this is fourth day. I'm getting a new fidget spinner. That. Yeah, I got it yesterday. My dad bought it for me, and I really loved it. And the spin for long. If you guys don't know what this is, check the description down below. I will show you what it is. You see, this is a toy that helps people if they're nervous or something. You can just spin it and then you're no more nervous. And this toy is really great. Like it spins well. That you can see it spinning. And when I got this, I was so happy. This is my first one that I had. This is my first one. And I've seen a lot of you people on YouTube having this. And today is my first day. So it's you. I'm gonna thank you guys. It's because of you allowed me to get this. If you didn't show the video on YouTube, I wouldn't have gotten it. So thanks guys. See you next time.